Oh hey, you clicked on this video. I will be showing you how to do what the title says. I don't know who that guy is, anyway. The only shape you will need are wedges, specifically long wedges. Just like this. Use the wedges to make the shapes you see on the screen, and follow what I do next. Continue in this pattern and you will get a nice hexagonal grid. Yes, I know the screeches sound horrific, but stay with me. Almost done. And that's YouTube. Is how you can make honeycomb paneling in Block 8. Okay, screw this.